turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the metallic slider located on the back of the light block. This can help to unscrew the two holding screws on the light block. You can also use a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Remove the screws and the washers. Hold the light block in both hands and pull it towards you until it comes out. You will now be able to access the bulbs on your headlights more easily. Remove the protective cover. To begin with, lift the first metal bar and lower the other one. This will free the cover. The second can be removed by pulling down on it. To replace the high beam bulbs, you must pull on the connector. This will allow you to remove the bulb, which is held in place by two metal tabs thanks to a spring effect. Remove the bulb from the connector by pulling on it. Clip the bulb into place in the connector, then insert the whole thing into the light block. Ensure you follow the instructions on putting the bulb in the right way up and push it in until you hear a little click that says it is locked into place. To replace the parking lights, take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To replace the dipped beam bulbs, disconnect the power connector to the bulb. To release the bulb, you must simultaneously push and pull on both sides of the bulb to free it from the holding studs. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. As you're inserting it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Reconnect the power. To replace the indicator lights, hold the tab with the ends of your fingers and turn it towards the left. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the covers back on. Once the bulbs have been changed, slide the light back into its place and screw the holding screws back in. Put the metal slide back then fix it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.